So, assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome to my another video based in English. In this video, I'm gonna talking about sentence structure. You know, guys, a sentence is very important for any language. So, we will definitely know about sentence structure if we try to speak English fluently. What kind of sentence we definitely need if we try to speak English? Most of the time we need to three basic structure. One is a simple sentence, two is compound sentence, three is complex sentence. And what is the simple sentence? Simple sentence is the most basic sentence all over the English. Like, I am going. It's called simple sentence. Simple sentence means one single independent clause. What is independent clause means? Independent clause means if any sentence fulfill your desire, your understanding level, then it's simple sentence. Like, the tree is beautiful. When you hear this kind of sentence, then you will understand this is the tree and it looks very beautiful. So it's generally complete your listening desire. So simple sentence is just in. Then we jump in compound sentence. What is compound sentence? When we use one plus one independent clause connect with coordinative conjunction, then it's called a compound sentence. Right now you are going to say it. What is coordinative conjunction? Coordinative conjunction means fan voice, for and or, but or yet so. When you use this coordinative conjunction with two independent clauses, then it gradually you gradually make compound sentences. And at last we find complex sentence. Complex sentence is very important and crucial for any kind of speaking exam, like IELTS, SAT, TOEFL, Duolingo. When you use complex sentence, in this time your examiner will very pleased for your conversation. If you do not use complex sentences in your English speaking, then you will definitely sure you cannot achieve your desirable score. So if you preparing IELTS, if you preparing SAT, if you preparing no matter which kind of exam, you will definitely understand and definitely use the complex sentences in your English speaking. So what is complex sentence? In my point of view, a complex sentence is one independent clause and one dependent clause connected with subordinate conjunction or relative pronouns. What is the subordinate conjunction? Subordinate conjunctions means when a sentence after once, if, as if, even though, although, etc. Because, so that. And what is relative pronoun? Relative pronoun means W's question. W's question like who is, that, when, how, whose, when, what. If you use this kind of word and use one independent clause and one dependent clause, then it gradually make a complex sentence. When you use this sentence pattern in your speaking, then definitely you will get high band score rather than others. By the way, it's not only important for speaking but also very important for writing. If you use complex sentence in IELTS writing, SAT writing, and TOEFL writing, then you will get definitely higher band score rather than others. If you never use complex pattern and compound pattern in the writing section, then you will never get your desirable high band score. So I hope you will understand. I'm trying to build up this English pattern. You will also try to build up this English sentence pattern. When you are master in this English sentence pattern, then your English will like a skyrocket, like a boom, because you know the sentence pattern and you have feel in your mind confidence, and confidence is very important for us. um, as we feel confident in our mind, in this time we can do anything whatever we want. So that's for it, especially for today's. I hope you are guys understand what I am trying to say. So we will see you again in the next video, inshallah guys.